नमस्कार, मैं कीर्ति आजाद हूँ। सदगुरुदेव जी को मेरा प्रणाम। और सदगुरु जी से मेरा प्रश्न है कि लोग यह सांप्रदायिक बातें बार बार अलग अलग तरीके से उठाते रहते हैं। मैं केवल एक चीज ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि जर्मनी में रहने वाला व्यक्ति जर्मन, फ्रांस में रहने वाला फ्रेंच, अफगानिस्तान में रहने वाला अफगानी, इराक में रहने वाला इराकी, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका में रहने वाला अमेरिकन, हिंदुस्तान में रहने वाला यदि हिंदू कहा जाए तो उसको सांप्रदायिक क्यों कहा जाता है? तो इस प्रकार से लोग क्यों इस शब्द के साथ में सांप्रदायिकता को जोड़ते हैं? कब ऐसी स्थिति बनेगी गुरुदेव कि हम लोग ऐसी स्थिति में आए जब यदि कोई हिंदुस्तान के रहने वाले व्यक्ति को हिंदू कहे, वो किसी मजहब का हो, वो उसको बुरा ना माने लेकिन उसमें सम्मान प्राप्त करें?
We must understand that nation is just an idea. Unless the idea is deepened in the minds and hearts of people, the idea will not become a living reality. Bharat as a nation is not a 65-year-old idea. It is a few thousand years old idea. But after the independence, we have allowed the idea of those who conquered this land to flourish in our minds and in our hearts. So when you call yourself an Indian without knowing what it is, the word really does not mean anything. So we have not given a proper identity to Indians, and so this confusion. Going back to our history and the hoary existence of this nation, even though politically we were many entities, we were always considered as a nation, both from within and from outside this whole subcontinent as one nation. It is best for us as a nation, if we want to regain the pride and glory of who we were into the future times, it's important that we reinvent this idea, and I think it is time we call our nation as Bharat and we become Bharatis and not Indians as somebody else called us. They called us Indians and they called the tribes in North America Indians. Wherever they went, they used whatever words they wanted to use. We must understand this one fundamental technique of a conqueror to break the minds and hearts of those conquered is to rename them always.